Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to remove watermark from TikTok video. First of all, you can open the TikTok application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can first simply select the video that you want to remove the watermark. I can select this video, so now you can tap on the share icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it and here you can see the option copy link of the video, and after copy the link you can use the third party app, that is TikTok video downloader or any of the app. You can just simply go to the third party app and here you can paste the link and now download the video without watermark. And this is the way you can download video or remove watermark from TikTok video. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.